Any pizza with any crust and any toppings means you can order the pizza you've been dreaming of, all for the dream price of $9.99. The Dream Pizza Deal at Domino's.
Between mom and leaving and mom's osteoporosis, I thought life was going to slow down. Boy, was I wrong.
If you have postmenopausal osteoporosis and are at high risk for fracture, Evenity can help you rapidly build new bone in just 12 months. Evenity is the only bone builder that also helps slow bone loss, and it's proven to significantly reduce spine fracture risk.
She said the Evenity she's taking builds new bone. Builds new bone! So yeah, we still bike, babysit, and brunch with the ladies.
Evenity can increase risk of heart attack, stroke, or death from a heart problem. Tell your doctor if you have had a heart attack or stroke. Do not take Evenity if you have low blood calcium or are allergic to it, as serious events have occurred with Evenity. Signs include rash, hives, swelling of the face or throat, which may cause difficulty in swallowing or breathing, muscle spasms or cramps, numbness, or tingling. Tell your doctor about severe jawbone problems, as they have been reported with Evenity. Report hip, groin, or thigh pain. Unusual thigh bone fractures have occurred with Evenity. Ask your doctor about building new bone with Evenity.
The only eyewitness is my old training officer. I testify. I'll lose everything, man. He has to take the stand. No, it's not right.
You tampered with a witness. I will have you arrested.
Law and Order, Thursday on NBC and Peacock.
What did you do? I can't believe we're burying a body in our garden.
What are you, a morality cop?
People always think they can get away with it.
What did you do? Crack the window so there's oxygen to feed the fire.
How many cars have you torched?
What did you do?
When you're in a garden club, you never know what's growing underneath.
What did you do?
Grosse Pointe Garden Society, next on NBC and Peacock.
Where have you been all morning?
Locking down my clients.
Good. Now I need you to lock down everyone else's.
Come again?
I don't care if you step on toes. I need you to lock down as many clients as you can, whether they're yours or not.
Even Riggs.
Even Rick's. What's on your mind, Erica?
You know what's on my mind.
How many times do I have to tell you this? I promised the job to Rick.
You mean the man whose clients you just asked me to show up?
I mean the guy that got in here at 6 a.m. like he does every morning, and because of that, we still have a firm. Meanwhile, your primary concern seems to be leveraging me into a promotion.
Don't give me that, because you would do the same thing and you know it. So what's it going to be? Yes or no?
No. And one of these days, I promise you will learn that closing clients isn't everything.
I don't care what happened. I just wasted 2 hours waiting for your ADA, so I will be calling for sanctions.
You did have a thing.
Did you think I was just being cute?
I think that you enjoyed saying no to me.
What can I say? Watching a man like you realize that you have nothing I need does come with a certain deep satisfaction.
May I ask you something? What sort of cases do you primarily handle?
Mostly criminal defense.
Well, how do you do it? How do you live with yourself? No. She doesn't work for me.
I don't know how you did it, but Lip Fat Johnson and Riley are back in the fold and grateful as hell.
Rick, about yesterday, I shouldn't have spoken to you that way. I was out of line. We good?
We're good. Good.
Because I've made a decision.
You're making Erica new co-heads Valentine.
How'd you know?
Because if I were you, I'd do the same thing.
In that case, what else would you do if you were me?
I would get familiar with Lipvac's clients, because as soon as we lock them down, you're letting him go.
On his lazy, stupid ass. I haven't told Erica about the promotion yet. I was waiting to let you wrap your head around it.
Hey, you think about John Amos?
How could I not? He called me 3 times today. Let's call on him tomorrow morning. Together.
I want to do more.
Excuse me?
You have me set up the meetings and do the work, but the clients, they look at me like I'm a secretary and not a lawyer, which I am.
Leah. Today is not the day.
Erica, I'm tired of making you look good, so either put me up for senior associate, or I'll find someone here who will.
Close the door.
Why?
Because I am willing to go to bat for you, but I need you to understand why I can't do it for another 6 months.